coffee. It was so hard to get inside it.
Yeah.
But I finally did it. So, well, I have been in staircase C before. This is staircase A in Merisotilaankatu, or it's Flotistgatan 3. In Katajanokka, Skaten Helsinki, Finland. It was built in 1983. It's amazing. And it's fast for 5 floors.
Yeah.
Amazing find. Don't you like it? Yeah. H62715. It was so difficult.
Yeah.
But I don't know if the staircase B has any elevator. D doesn't have anything.
Yeah.
It's fast and amazing. We should try it again.
Yeah.
I think Finland would have loved it also.
Yeah.
It's going to be inspected in 2022. It's turning 40 years old in 2023.
Inspekteettiinpäkin vaan inspekteet meidän paikassa silloin.
Such amazing 1983. I love this amazing sound.
Yeah.
But I think staircase C has the best sound.
Yeah.
This has the second best as well. But we don't know if B has any elevator. We'll
Yeah.
try it later. It should be in Swedish and Finnish. It's only Finnish, but the spanel is very special.
Yeah.
Love the release. And that's all. It doesn't say anything on the door.
Yeah.
I don't know, maybe it's early 1983, but I'm
Yeah.
not sure.
That's